This is our flag, the flag of Ukraine. It has two colors, blue and yellow. But why exactly these colors? And why they have such an arrangement? Now we will tell you why. And here's why. Ukraine is very famous for its fertile land, which is called Chernozem. It's the best land in the world, and our flag displays our main advantage. The huge fertile field with wheat is yellow color, and the clear beautiful sky from above is blue. We have developed agriculture industry, therefore very tasty homemade food, especially bakery products, which are made from Ukrainian wheat. One more time. We have developed in the... Ну что ты мне... Еще раз. Я не знаю, как сказать. Последний раз.